How to disable YouTube shorts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable YouTube shorts. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube app on your device. Log into your particular account on YouTube, scroll down and find out the shorts section. Simply tap the three dots of a particular shorts and tap not interested. You have to do the same for other shorts until you don't find any of these shorts on this section or screen. Refresh this page for a while, and now when you scroll down and search that there is no any shorts on the screen. So this was quite simple and easy. This is the particular way to disable YouTube shorts. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.